Hey, what is up, YouTube? It's your girl Angel, and I'm back with another video. So, in today's video, I'm doing my nails French tip. You could say medium length press on nails. Did my thumb finger off camera because I had a little accident with it. I was cleaning and then I bumped my hand into something and I cut my hand randomly. But yes, so I did a nail off camera, and so I'm showing you the process of me pressing on the nails. I just apply some kiss glue to my nails and then I apply the press on nails. So I hold down the nail so that the nail adheres to my nail bed. After all the nails are glued on and secured, I then file them with a nail file to take away any sharp edges and to take away any chips that may be in the nail. And then I apply cuticle oil to my nails because sometimes the nail glue itself can be drying to the skin. So I apply some cuticle oil, and that is it. That's the process of me applying these press-on nails. Very simple. I have these nails from Temu, so I will link these nails in the description box below. Thank you for coming to my channel and watching our video. I hope that you like it. If you want to see more videos, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in my next one. Toodles!